Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can mute notifications for your workspace on Slack really quickly. For example, if you've grown tired of these notifications and simply would like to mute them for a day, week, or even forever. So drop a like and now let us get started right away. So here inside my Slack workspace, as you can see, all you need to do is click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner, and after that select or hover your mouse over pause notifications, and after that the following drop-down menu will pop up here to the right. So you may simply choose your notifications to be paused for a specific amount of time, like for 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, until tomorrow, until next week, or set a custom date here. Like, let me, for example, pause notifications for this specific workspace. Let's say we're in April 2025. So if I move to the next month and let's say to the end of May, I would like to set or to mute the notifications till the end of May, and click on save here. Alternatively, you may also select a specific date time and click on save here so that these changes may be applied. And if I scroll here, or if I zoom to my profile icon, you will see that sleeping icon, which means that notifications have been paused for that workspace. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.